Something massive just happened inside Apple Park, and it has completely broken the tech industry's timeline. While the world was looking at Cupertino, waiting for a traditional, flashy spring keynote, Apple pulled a move so aggressive, so highly calculated, and so fundamentally disruptive that it has caught every competitor completely off guard. We are not just talking about another standard product refresh. We are talking about the sudden, unannounced arrival of an entirely new era of display technology that completely obliterates the line between standard consumer monitors and ultra-high-end, multi-thousand-dollar Hollywood reference displays. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Behind closed doors, deep within the supply chain, production lines have shifted to build a piece of hardware that wasn't supposed to exist yet. Apple just fast-tracked their most advanced visual engine in history, skipping standard release cycles to drop a weapon that resets the baseline for what human eyes can perceive on a desktop glass panel. If you think this is just a minor spec bump or a slightly brighter screen, you are completely missing the bigger picture. Apple is executing a brutal, systematic takeover of the creative professional market, fundamentally changing how they deploy their custom silicon inside peripherals, and setting a trap that forces millions of creators into their desktop ecosystem. By the time you finish listening to this, you will understand exactly why top-tier video editors, graphic designers, 3D animators, and software developers are scrambling to check their bank accounts, why the competition is in a total state of panic, and exactly what this secret hardware drop means for the future of the desk setup you look at every single day. To truly understand the sheer scale of what Apple just did, we have to look at the bizarre secrecy that has shrouded Cupertino over the last few weeks. For years, the tech industry followed a strict, predictable script. April rolls around, invitations with colorful, cryptic logos go out, and executives stand under the bright lights of the Steve Jobs Theater to pitch incremental upgrades. But this time, the theater remained completely dark. The stage was silent. Why would a company sitting on the most revolutionary visual breakthrough of the decade choose to skip the theatrical presentation? Because Apple realized that traditional keynotes are for consumer gadgets. When you are about to drop a piece of hardware that acts as a digital sledgehammer to the professional monitor industry, you don't talk about it. You let the raw numbers do the talking. They decentralized their launch strategy, quietly updated their enterprise pipelines, and let this monstrous architecture hit the market like a silent shockwave. They wanted professionals to wake up, look at the specifications, and realize that the high-end external monitors they bought just months ago had been rendered completely obsolete overnight. And the absolute crown jewel of this silent execution is the unexpected, early arrival of the Apple Studio Display 2. This is the hardware that the supply chain insisted was years away. Tech insiders were told that the manufacturing yields for high-density desktop panels were too low, that global supply chains had stalled development, and that the original, older model would have to hold the line for the foreseeable future. It was all a brilliant smokescreen. Apple wasn't delaying production. They were perfecting a panel architecture that introduces a level of visual fidelity that defies standard industry metrics. The Studio Display 2 isn't just an upgrade, it is a total reinvention of what an external workspace can be. For the first time on a consumer-accessible desktop monitor, Apple has successfully commercialized a state-of-the-art, custom-engineered, ultra-dense micro-LED matrix panel. To put that in perspective, almost every other display manufacturer on Earth is still relying on traditional